Welcome to Mini TV.
Hey kids, look at the apples up in the tree. Let's count them together. How many can there be?
1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.
10. Counting apples on the tree. One by one, just you and me. Counting apples red and sweet. That was a tasty treat.
Great job! Now let's count again. 1,
2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9.